Now the Ashini, Keon, Nimrali, Teruli, did you do this? 15th question, right? Make Karal. Did you do this one? 17th one? Teruli?
I couldn't get it.
Couldn't get it. Okay. And now the Nimrali? Anyway, you can talk. Me too, talk, but right, is this hard? අමාරු හරි හරි I will do මටත් හිතා ගන්න බෑ right මේක කොහොමද කරන්න කියලා but I need to මොනවද පොඩ්ඩක් මේ I have to use my brain little bit හරි right okay දැන් කියන්නේ බෑ අපිට සර්ට් එකක් ගන්න අපිටත් බෑනේ කියලා right okay that's not an excuse හරි right කොහොමද look at first of all yeah I will do this one. Page number 9. Right? Page number 9. Ninth question. Right? Ninth question. Right? Page number 9, ninth question. This is homework. Binomial expressions. Binomial expressions. Homeworks. Page number 9. Didn't get කියලා කිව්වට මේ didn't get the නැත්තම් කරේ නැද්ද? There is a question, right? Okay. Page number 9. Ninth question. Mega. Find the value of t square plus 1 over t square when t plus 1 over t equals to right. Now we have some kind of a right. We have some kind of an expression to be obtained by using this one because they are saying find the value of this when make it. Find the value of this expression, right? When means it's something like in some situations they might give you this as well, right? In a different way. Now here you will have this when. In some kind of questions they will give you if this happens, show this, right? Now they are asking same thing, right? Find the value of this when t plus 1 over t equals 2, right? When it comes to the binomial expression, right? Binomial expression, you need to know there are two expansions, a plus b to the power 2 equals, if I get this a as the first term, if I get this b as the second term, right? Second term, right? First of all, you need to write the square term of the first term. Then 2 times the product of first term and second term, right? 2 times the product of first term and second term, that is 2ab, right? Plus, here you have plus, so no need to worry, all the things are plus, right? Plus, here you have second term to the power 2, that is b square. I am just reminding you and refreshing your knowledge from the previous week, right? Right. And when it comes to a minus b to the power 2, only changing thing is the middle term sign. Here we have positive, but we have negative here. Then this middle term becomes negative, right? So a to the power 2 minus 2ab plus b square. So these are the expansion you need to remember. Make a pattern. This is very crucial, right? Very important for you guys until your A level is done. Right? You guys will remember these things. Right? When you go to the campus and so on and so on, right? You will remember these things. Naturally, it will come to your body language. Right? So, when you see this t squared plus 1 over t squared, the expression that you are going to find the value, make it new unknown, right? And also, if you compare this one and this one, right? You need to see something. This has a square, and also this one has also a square. But here you do not have any square. Right? If I compare these two with this, what would happen? Right? This one is like something. If I take this term as A, now this is plus. If I take this term as B, A plus B, right? And also this is A to the power 2, B to the power 2, something like that. So you know 1 to the power 2, 1 square is equal to 1. 1 square, that means 1 times 1 equals to 1. Correct? 1 times 1 equals 1, and this is already 1 to the power 2, but the answer is 1. And also t to the power 2, t square. So that is the second term, 1 over t to the power 2. T to the power 2. 1 over t to the power 2, a to the power 2, b to the power 2. What does it mean? A plus b. So now we can use this expansion in order to get the value of this. That is the only way that you can make this left hand side, right, to the power 2. So for that, normally that the thing that you know is, right, all if there is a balance, in balance එකක් තියෙනවා නම් තරහදියා මගේ මූණ තමයි my face is the equal mark. Now think I am an equation. This is my right hand side, this is my left hand side. So should be, when it comes to the board, other way around, right? So think like that. Now imagine left hand side equals right hand side. This is a balance, Taraji, right? Now if you put 500 gram to this side, right hand side, if you want to balance it in a scale, right, you should put another 500 gram to your left hand side as well. So then it would be balanced. Right? Normally, if you put a punch to your right hand side, you need to balance it. And if you want to balance it, you need to put the same amount of punch to this side as well, so that it would balance. හරි ඒ කතාවක් තියෙනවා හරි අර ඔයාගේ වම් පැත්ත රිදෙනවා නම් ගොඩාක් මේ හරියට කවුරු හරි ගහලා හරිද කවුරු මේ පැත්තට ගැහුවොත් එහෙම මේ පැත්ත රිදෙනවා කියන්නකො එතන නේද ඒක පේන් එක තියෙන්නේ රිදෙන්නේ එතන හරිද ඒ වගේම අනිත් පැත්තට ගහන්න බැලන්ස් වෙනවා එතකොට එතකොට රිදිල්ල අයින් වෙනවා එහෙම සීන් එකක් තියෙනවා මේ පැත්තේ තියෙන රිදිල්ල අඩු කරගන්න ඕන නම් මේ පැත්තට ගහන්න ඕන එතකොට බැලන්ස් වෙනවා රිදිල්ල හරි එහෙම කරන්න එපා right so that should be balanced. The thing that you are going to do to your right hand side, you need to do the same thing to your left hand side on an equation. On an equation, keep that in your mind. If you multiply this side by 2, you need to multiply this side by 2 as well. Otherwise, your equation is wrong. If you divide this side by 2, you need to divide this side by 2 also, so that the two sides will be balanced. Economic balance equation is like a taradhi balance. Correct? Keep that in your mind. So here are grade 7 axioms, 8 axioms, 9 axioms, grade 9 axioms. Axioms part में तीनों. Right? So what I am going to do is I will take this t plus 1 over t equals 2. Right? T plus 1 over t equals 2. Right? And I will get the square of my left hand side and right hand side. Right? Because I need to have this t to the power 2 and 1 over t to the power 2. The only way that I can obtain that part is by taking the square of the left hand side and right hand side. If I get the square of left hand side, I need to definitely get the square of right hand side as well. Because taradi. Right? Equal marking. You need to do the same operation for your left hand side and right hand side. Does it matter? I will take this. Now focus on the board. Don't do anything. T plus 1 over t equals to. Normally, if you multiply this side by 2, you need to multiply this side by 2 as well, so that it would be balanced, right? Around this equal mark, right? So I will use the same concept, right? In next step, I will do t plus 1 over t. Full expression to the power 2, right? Complete expression to the power 2 equals 2 to the power 2, so that it would balance, because I have taken the square term, right? Square of this side and this side. So it is balanced, right? Now I'm going to take the expansion of this side. This is something like a plus b to the power 2. A plus b to the power 2. That is this. This is my first term. This is my second term. First term, second term. First term, second term, first term, second term. Right? Okay. Now you can see a pattern. So now this is my first term to the power 2. T to the power 2. Right? And plus. Plus doesn't matter plus. 2 times first term t multiplied by second term AB. There is a pattern. You need to understand that simple pattern. Then last term is this one, second term b to the power 2. 1 over t to the power 2 plus 1 to the power 2, right? You know 1 square is equal to 1 because 1 times 1 equals 1. Okay, then we can take t to the power 2 t square, right? Now what can you say? 2 to the power 2, 4. Now you can see the answer. Then answer ko pain right? You need to see the answer here. If you consider your left hand side, what can you find this one? Make a pain order. Yes. Can you find this one? Wait, yes, done. So you need to isolate this one and this one in your left hand side. Then you will get the answer. Please write. So the t square, right, plus t times 1, t times 1, right? Numerator denominator can be simplified. 2 into 1 into 1, 2 in the denominator. In the numerator, in the denominator you will be having 1. Right? So here 2 times 1 times 1, 2. Right? This term is 2 plus 1 over t square equals 4. We're done. Now you have to take this 2 this side, then you will get the value for this. Alright? T square plus 1 over t square equal mark. And this is positive 2. When it goes to the other side, it automatically becomes negative 2. That means 4 minus 2. Alright? So the answer will be 2. for this. Right? So you can separately write. Now you can do the rest as well. Right? Right. So the did you finish writing? Please let me know. Can you send me a D to the chat? D for done. I'm going to clear the board. Right. Right. Okay. Now I am going to do the page number 10. Na? Page number 10. Page number 10. 17th question. Right. There is a special question here. Right. Page number 10. 17th question. 17th question. 123 to the power 2 plus 123 plus 124 is equal to the square of which number? Correct? Right? They are asking the value of this. Sorry, I will write the question in 17th question. Right? The value of this expression, right, is equal to what, Dhan? The square of which number is equal to the square of which number, right? Which number? This one is very easy, ne? Hey, take a calculator and do it. But in the exam, they will not give you calculators. Right? But here, when you are doing this question, you need to use only the knowledge of binomial expressions. Knowledge of binomial expressions. Right? So, what do you know about binomial expression? You know only this one. Only this one and this one. Right? Terra, understood? Right. But there is a square term as well. Okay, so that you can identify, this is from binomial expressions, Tama. Right? And when you consider the signs, all are positive. So only here positive, positive. Here negative, negative. So that should not be equal to definitely this one, because here you have a negative sign. But here you do not have any negative signs. And you are going to use only the binomial expression knowledge to obtain this answer is equal to the square of which number? Square of which number? You simply you can take a calculator and you can type all the things and get the answer at the end, and after that you can take the square root of that final answer, so that you can obtain the which number, square of which number. But if you use the knowledge of binomial expression, you need to do something else. Right? As I told you, all the things are positive. Look at me, Alut thing, how the Dinhas and you mean sometimes you might not get this. It's okay because this is from the previous lesson. Right? So the
Okay, sir.
right, but try to understand. Right. So 123 to the power 2. So you need to feel now that should be like first term wage kila pain done, right? Hey, 102 2 and 3 to the power 2 ne. Right? That should be like the square of first term. Okay. Then how would I make the second term? Now here I have again 123 and here I have again 124. Marasindi. Madam but I will do something else. So I will rewrite this one. 123 to the power 2 plus 123 plus 124. Right. Now, if you think a little bit, 123 plus 123 plus 124. But here you have 124. This cannot be the second term. Right? None of the squares will not be equal to 124. That means if you take like 2 to the power 2, 4. Right? 12 to the power 2, 144. It is exceeding this. 11 to the power 2, 121. Right? 11 to the power 2, 121. 12 to the power 2, 144. So that should not be equal to this. So you cannot make the second term like this. Again, second term means this one. Now B. Now I am feeling like A is okay. 123. Right? A. 120. Okay. Let's get back to the thing. Right? Okay. So here I will tell you the answer. Right? So the method, what I was telling is right. A to the power 2. Right? Right? The term A is okay. Right? Term A is okay. Right? And how you are going to make your term B inside this expression. And I asked you previously, can you write this 124 by using 123? Why is that? Because here I have 123, here I have 123, and by using 123, can you write 124 in another way? Yes. Equal mark, very important. Right? 123 to the power 2 plus 123. Right? I can write this 124 like 123 plus 1. 123 plus 1, it will give you 124. Right. Now, can you remember in the middle term you have something like 2 times something? 2 times first term and second term. AB. First term is A, second term is B. AB. And you have to take the multiple of, so product of AB and take the twice of that. Can you make something twice of something? Can you make twice of something by looking at this thing? Now forget about this. You guys no need to think about this one because it is already, you can see A to the power 2 something you can see. Right? And can you make something like 2 times something? Can anyone tell me? Ashini, Tenuli, Imnadi, and Kyo? Or else Yomin and Other one command, right? Can you identify something like that? Have 2 times something kill hadන්න පුළුවන්. Can you make something like that? 2 times something. පුට්ට 100.1ක් මොලේ calibrate කරා. No? Message එකක් දාන්න එපා මම board එක ගන්න ඉඳී. Turn on your mic and speak. Can you make twice something? Twice something. මේ මෙතන පේනද 123 123. You can write it මෙන්න මෙහෙම. Equal mark 123 to the power 2 plus I am not going to add these two. මම මේක add කරන්නේ නැහැ. I am not going to add. Else I am doing 2 times 123 because I need to use the binomial expression knowledge plus 1. Now what happens? Now you need to see the answer. How? A squared. Now this is equal to b squared, okay? How that becomes b squared? I wrote something here previously. 1 can be written down as 1 times 1 equals 1. That means 1 to the power 2 equals 1. So this is 1 to the power 2. Can you make it inside the middle term? Make a hadanda පුළුවන් middle term එක මෙතන. Yes. කොහොමද? Right. Equal mark 123 to the power 2 plus, right, 2 times a 123 2 times a times b. B is 1, right? 1, you have to multiply this whole term by 1. 2 times ab plus this 1 can be written down as 1 to the power 2, right? 123 to the power 2 plus 2 times ab b to the power 2. So Buddha, as you can see here, this is something like a to the power 2, right? This term something like 2 times ab, that is my middle term, right? This is b to the power 2. Done. Right? Now how we are going to write it? Right? Equal mark. Right? Equal mark. This is the expansion. This is the expansion. Right? And this is how we are going to write it. Right? Under the square. Right? Open bracket. This is a. A means 123. A means 123 plus b. B means 1. B means 1. So whole thing to the power 2. 123 plus 1 whole thing to the power 2. So this is it. So what would be the final answer for this? 123 plus 1, 124 to the power 2, right? The square of which number? Square of which number? Square of which number? Square of which number? That is it. So the final answer will be 123 plus 1, 124 to the power 2. So the square of which number will give you as the answer 124. Your answer should be 124. So the square of this number will equal to this. Well, final. Right? Right. Okay. Do you have any questions from this? Make a මොනවද තේරුම් නැති තැනක් තියනවද?